Hi, this is Mapping with the County of Peterborough. Today we're going to look at measurement. In order to measure on the web-GIS, zoom your map into the area that you want to create your measurement at. I'm going to use my wheel mouse and roll the mouse wheel forward in order to zoom into the area of interest. From my tools at the top, I'm going to select the Tools menu, and then you can see under the Drawing and Measuring here, I've got two tools, a distance and an area. In this case, I'm going to use the Area tool. You have the option of setting the perimeter distance or the units of measure for your area. Right now I'm going to start with acres and feet. Now this will allow me to create a very nice freehand measurement just like that, dropping the area right in the center. However, I want to be able to snap to a property and see how that turns out. So there's now a tool called Enable Snapping that will allow me to select the snapping layers. I'm going to start by clearing any selections that might already be in there, rolling down to Cadastral, selecting Parcel Fabric, which is the properties that we want to match to. And then I'm going to zoom in because you can see I've now got this circle that's snapping to the corners of all of the features on the map that it's set to. You see it's not snapping so much to the roads, but it is to the properties. So I'm going to click on one corner. You can see now that I've got a line that's drawing from it. I'm going to click on the next and the next, and then I'm going to wheel back out and wheel back in. I'm going to drop a point midway along there just to make sure that nothing's bending in a funny way. And then you can see there's a couple corners, so I'm going to zoom in tight enough that I can make sure I get the one I want. Wheel out. I don't need to wheel in on that one, there's enough space. I know what I'm snapping on. So I'm going to wheel out and then wheel back in until I find all the corners that I need in order to create this measurement. And then when I get to that last corner, you can see that it's a straight run from here to here. I'm going to double click on that corner and finish it. The area has now been calculated in the center, drawn on the map, and if I want to be able to change the units of measure that it's showing in, I can switch it up over here. So instead of acres, I'm going to choose hectares, and instead of feet, I'm going to choose meters. And everything is automatically updated on the map, and I can switch at any time. If you find that the measurement tool is not responding the way that you'd expect it to, it's possible that you're moving too quickly. It's just not able to grab. I'm trying to click and it's not grabbing every click. It might be that I'm going too quickly. So I'm going to go a little more intentionally, slow it down. It might also be that I'm interfering with some of the boxes down here at the bottom, some of the other tools that exist on the map. If I'm too close to those, I'm going to get something I don't want. So I'm going to start again. With my distance tool, and then click and click, and just make sure I'm away from those obstacles. I hope this helps. Happy mapping!